Tyler. That's right, Tyler. Are you eating cereal? Cereal? And how about some milk? You have some milk too? How about you drink your milk? There you go. Do you like to drink, Tyler? 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 Do you like to drink? How about bread? Do you like bread? Who's your daddy? Tyler, who's daddy? Mommy and daddy? Where's your tummy? There's that tummy. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? What about a hat? Do you like to wear hats? And shoes? What else do you like? Do you like bubbles? Do you like bubbles? You do like bubbles. Tyler, do you like to eat crackers? How about cookies? Do you like cookies? Do you want a cookie? You want crackers? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Can you say, Mommy, cookie, please? Oh, Daddy. Tyler, do you want a cookie? Please? Say please and I'll give you a cookie. There you go. Is that good? Is it all gone? Bubbles, please. Bubbles, please. Bubbles, please. Bubbles, please. Bubbles, please. All gone. Bubbles, please. Please, bubbles. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? There you go. Go find that ball. Yeah, is that your ball? Is that your ball? Did your auntie come and visit? That's right, your auntie. And your auntie always buys you shoes, doesn't she? Yes, she does. Tyler, are we ready to put on some pajamas and go night-night? Night-night? Say night night.